Oh, he got the Venom one.
Don't forget to take your
Nice, man. Nice.
Well, my nephew is 6 years old.
Yeah?
Hopefully like it.
Oh yeah, man. You have a good one.
Thank you.
Safe travels, man. Alright, chat. So that guy just got that Spider-Man one. I think we're gonna get that one for Beast Collects. And I'm also going to get that Bugatti. Getting this one at the bag. And then we're going to get Bugatti. That's a bag. My bag. And we got the Bugatti one. Got the Bugatti.
Please take the product.
Hey, get my shit, bro.
The next
See, chat, we got the last one.
Please
Fuck all
take the
everybody.
product.
Fuck everybody else, bro. I'm just kidding. Oh, we got him. We got him. We got him right here. Okay, so that's what we got right here.